Hello. Yes, let us look at this question today. It says that the graph below is based on the hypothetical equilibrium, and this is the equilibrium, and this is the graph. So we have A, B, C, D, like that. And the question says, state the changes which took place at T1. So what happened at T1? Concentration of A was increased. Why do we say so? You look at this spike. The spike is telling you that then we come to T2. What happened at T2? T2, we are seeing D, and it's going downwards. So what are you going to say? Concentration of D was decreased. Yeah, then we come to T3. What happened at T3? We see a spike downwards at T3 of what? Of B. So we can say at B, concentration of B was decreased. Yeah, then comes this question. It says, compare the rate of forward to reverse reaction. 1 between Tx and T1. So this is the range they are talking about. And how do you compare the rate of forward and reverse? What you have to see here is that these are horizontal lines. And what do they mean? They represent equilibrium. And what does equilibrium mean in terms of rate of forward and reverse? We have to remember that at equilibrium, the rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of reverse reaction. So the answer here is equal. Yeah. Then we come to this one, saying compare the rate of forward to reverse reaction at T1. T1 is that. So to predict this, what do we need? We need an equation, which is A plus B giving you C plus D. And what is happening at T1? A is increasing. Okay. And when you increase A, you are disturbing the equilibrium. And according to Lacetaria, that is not wanted. So how does the system react? By reacting excess with B to give you C and D. So these are the changes which are taking place here. The changes are that B will decrease and the C and the D will increase. From here, what do? We predict the position of equilibrium. It is from low to high, so it is forward. And our answer lies there. For a reaction which is forward favored, it means that the rate of forward is higher than the rate of the reverse. So we are comparing forward to reverse. Answer is going to be higher, implying that rate of forward is higher than the rate of the reverse. Yeah, so we come to T2. compare the rate of forward to reverse at T2. How do you go about that? The same approach. You have the equation of the reaction. And what is changing at T2? We are seeing concentration of D decreasing. So that is it. D is decreasing. And when D decreases, the equilibrium is disturbed. So according to Leclerc, the equilibrium reacts to restore the removed D. How does that happen? It means that A and B are going to react, so they will decrease to form this, and also this which has been restored, which has been removed. Okay. Now, what do we do next? You predict position. Position is from low to high. So it means that forward is favored. And for the reaction where forward is favored, you have to know that the rate of forward reaction is higher than the rate of the reverse. And if that is true, it means that forward is higher than the reverse. Yeah, then we come to T3. What is happening at T3? Okay. The concentration of B is reduced. So what do? You have the equilibrium. Okay. And on the equilibrium, we represent a change. At T3, what happened? Concentration of B reduced. So this is reduced. And you have to know that according to Leclerc, whatever happens here is opposed. So if you withdraw B, the system forms it. Forming it implies that D has to react with C to form A, and also probably restore a bit that one. Okay. And from here, what do? You determine the position is from low to high. What does that mean? It means that reverse is favored. And when reverse is favored, the implication is that reverse reaction is higher than the forward. What does that mean? That forward is lower than the reverse. So the answer here is lower. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. And he would like also to remind you that Physical Sciences Silver Bullet is a science YouTube channel dealing with physical sciences, grade 12, 10, and 11, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. And we say that because of the scope of this channel, when you got the channel, don't go to the video, just press playlist so that you can sort out the material which belongs to your level. For grade 8 and 9, you place the tile grade natural sciences grade 8 or natural sciences grade 9. And for grade 11 and 10, it is all the information is in each tile. You just press Physical Sciences grade 11 or physical sciences grade 10. And for grade 12, each topic is represented as a tile. So just click on the topic of your interest, and then all the material will be at your exposure. With that, I'd like to say bye-bye. See you next time.